Can't see a fucking thing.
Good evening, everybody.
Hello.
Sir, you join us on...
Wait a minute. Hello, you got a moustache. Hello, mate. Hello. I'm doing the rest of the video like this.
God. Yes, you join us on... What's today's date?
The 17th.
The 17th of October.
Of Flocktober.
And it is currently
Freezing.
Freezing cold. Well, Josh has been a minge. It's not that cold.
Rude.
And it's 10 to 9 at night. And we have... Can't really see it because there's a light in the rear. The Bentley still under drive. Because the owner has decided it's time for us to start doing some work on it. She wants the work done, doesn't she?
Yeah.
So
It's like I'm sliding downhill.
we're going to start getting into it.
Going to start getting into it. We're not 10 to 9, it's a complete lie.
We're taking the front bumper off now.
We're just pretending.
Right.
We'll just pretend.
Let's get at it. So Josh is currently taking
the sound of that. Shift out, take the road. Yeah, it's not doing anything.
That fucking battery again. Still flat. It's not gained any charge since I was last using it, Joe.
No, it's not the battery.
It's the fact it's crusty.
It's the Milwaukee gibbet.
That's one broke.
Great. You just took over on the easy one. Gibbage. Bet they can't see me out there.
Probably not. Hello. You can stare at my ass. Thank you very much.
Excellent Jubaldini on this car.
Right, so... There's that underneath.
What was that?
That was a washer jet cover that's not actually attached to anything because it's been super glued very badly. I think that's what's happening on the other side. Bang!
Good news. This is the left one.
Is it?
It says L on it.
Here's the left-hand side of the vehicle.
It is, yeah. Oh, that's what that clip was for.
Been bodged, hasn't it?
Please don't put that big glued.
And that is how to remove a front bumper off a Bentley Continental.
Yeah.
It's not, it's been...
Limited.
Yeah, so... Right, let's call that there for this evening and we'll pick up again.
The loose nut in there. Missing there. Crash bar's been off.
Yeah, mate.
Crash bar's been off.
Crash bar what?
Been off.
Does it?
Yeah. You can see where the witness marks have changed on the nuts.
Let's have a look. While we're here. Oh yeah, under there, where the clean spots are. Yeah, it's lower down than it was.
Yeah.
Pipe, that's your washer pipe. Yeah.
Got another
Lactation somewhere. Yeah, same again on this side. You can see it's been off. Yeah. Like, that's not even the right bolt up there.
It's a random ass bolt.
That top right one there is not the correct bolt, as you can tell. So yeah, the high likelihood that this front end has been off. Oh, you seen this, Josh? Look at the state of that.
Oh yeah, nice.
It's
just got.
There's glue everywhere. That's always good.
Always lovely, isn't it?
But yeah, now we're going to have to figure out how to take this wing off as well for the headlight. But yeah, let's call it that for a night. Yeah. So thank you everybody for watching this evening's, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Chelsea.
Right guys, so you're joining me on a lovely windy evening. And Joshua has just arrived. It's the 18th of October, and tonight the plan is to get the front wings off the Bentley so we can get the headlights out, because we're getting replacement headlights, and then start pulling the front panels apart, so we can have a look at the front of this engine to have a look at some sensors that are behind it. So yeah, let's get dug into it and see where we go. Right folks, so a bit more of an insight on this vehicle. We have the front bumper off currently. As you can see, the headlight on this side is an absolute state. Like, it is a mess. Like, headlight washer 30.
Hello, everybody.
Say hello.
Who the bloody devil are you? Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, so as you can see, headlight washer jet broken off, drips of glue everywhere, crash bar, bolts,
drops of Jupiter.
Mismatched. And next up, right, so currently we've got 2 rounded off bolts in there, which we're going to have to battle, but no bother about them. And next up, can you see down there, got 2 10mm, 3 10mm should I say. If we go around to the other side, we're on Torx 30s. So that would suggest that that wing's also been off. So behind the seams of it, this vehicle has had a bit of a history. Looks as though the previous owners have bodged it back together. Looks like, to me personally, it looks like it's been a crash damaged vehicle and someone's hashed it back together, but there's no way of knowing that for sure unless we find anything that's actually like evidence that it's been crashed, like something bent. Cheers, boy.
Roll the cola.
So yeah, what do you reckon, Josh? Do you think it's been crashed?
I think it's been summer, hasn't it? It's
Yeah.
got to have.
To
Crash
be,
bars being off, wings being off.
to be mashed together. But
Do you know what my only worry is?
go on.
The more we take off,
No, I've got to take
potentially, the more we're going to find.
Yeah, but without taking it off, we're not going to be able to do what we need to do with it anyway. So
You know what we could do?
what?
Just be absolute legends. Ring, what's he called? That youth who does all this sort of stuff on YouTube.
Matt Armstrong.
Ring him. He's probably got parts of this lying about
Well,
everywhere.
he's done a Bentley.
And a couple of mil. When there's a couple of mil.
Yeah. He did one of his first big cars was a Bentley. So we're following in his footsteps on that one.
Nearly.
Nearly. We're on a driveway at home.
We're on the driveway at home. We're not in somebody's random car park.
Nope. Yeah, so we're going to have fun and games with this. Right, let's crack back on with it.
Bye!
just walk away with it.
So you have it. You have the wing.
I have the wing. Right then, so.
Do you?
Yep. Van Bentley wing removed. Do you know something, Josh? Look over. Bring camera over. You're looking away from me, aren't you? Look at me. We're always winging it round here.
Shocking. Absolutely unbelievable, that. I apologise to Matty's dad jokes. Absolute dad joke. Look. Baco. There you go. Juan Wing off.
So, as you can see, it's in a few pieces. Those headlights were an absolute pee take to get out. Being polite actually for a change. Yeah, we've got a fair bit done, a fair bit stripped off. A bit further than I was expecting to go, but is what it is, isn't it? Needs to be done, needs to be back together, needs to be right. So headlights are out of it, coolant pipes off, radiators off, front ends off, wings, bumper, wheels. We've got so far there's 2 air struts have arrived, coolant pipes arrived, and then the bottom arms arrived. So we're still waiting on a leg, handbrake motor, and then we're gonna have a look at the N75 sensor on the turbo. So yeah, there's quite a lot to do. So yeah, this is where we're going to end this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with future content. And we'll hope to see you in the next one. So peace out.